The rapid advancements in technology have led us to a profound moment in history. This is evident in the stock market, where companies like Nvidia, Symbiotic AI, Meta, and C3.ai have seen significant growth in just a year. These stock prices reflect the potential and future performance of AI technology. In this video, we will explore the projection of AI technology beyond ChatGPT and OpenAI, focusing on the next phase, interactive AI. The evolution of AI. Let's first talk about the evolution of AI. AI technology has evolved from simple classification to generative AI, where machines can produce new data. Companies that benefit most from this generative AI boom are those building AI hardware and providing cloud-based services. However, the next phase of AI will focus on how we interact with AI systems. This phase, called interactive AI, involves using our hands, voice, and even wearable devices to interact with AI. The recent release of Humane AI Pin, a wearable device, is just the beginning of this phase. The power to make decisions. The biggest shift in AI will occur when machines are given the power to make decisions and take actions in the real world. Imagine telling an AI system to make $100,000 on Amazon in just 3 months. And it goes ahead to achieve that goal by reaching out to people and using external tools to solve problems. This ability to solve problems independently and make decisions is the future of AI. Teaching AI systems to use external tools and incorporating real-world feedback will propel AI towards artificial general intelligence, AGI. Physical AI. Physical AI is the phase where AI technology is integrated into the physical world. Real-time information from various sensors is used in conjunction with multimodal large language models to make decisions and implement them in real time. NVIDIA Eureka algorithm, which utilizes the GPT-4 large language model, has revolutionized this phase by enabling robots to learn 1,000 times faster in virtual worlds. This approach drastically reduces the time required to train physical robots and paves the way for further advancements in AI. Top AI companies. When analyzing the top AI companies, one can observe that they are diversified in their investments. Giants like Amazon, Google, Salesforce, Nvidia, and Microsoft are not betting on a single horse. For example, Microsoft's strategic partnership with OpenAI involves significant investments and access to computing resources. This collaboration benefits both parties and highlights the importance of diversification in the AI industry. Additionally, Nvidia's investments in startups like Hugging Face, AI21 Labs, Runway, and Inflection AI contribute to a self-reinforcing virtuous cycle within the AI ecosystem. Microsoft's custom AI chips. Microsoft's foray into designing its own AI chips, such as Azure Cobalt and Azure Maya, demonstrates their commitment to AI technology. Designing custom silicon allows Microsoft to optimize the entire AI stack, from hardware to software, for more efficient training and inference. This move also reduces their dependence on external hardware providers and positions them as a key player in the AI industry. Meta, investing in R&D. While companies like Amazon, Google, and Salesforce are investing in startups, Meta is focusing on its own research and development. They allocate a record high 30% of their revenue to R&D, which is uncommon for companies that primarily generate revenue from advertisements. Meta's commitment to developing cutting-edge large language models, such as Llama 2, which competes with ChatGPT, has gained popularity within the AI community. By open-sourcing Llama 2, Meta has attracted numerous contributors and provided a free alternative to restricted models. The future of AI. As we transition from generative AI to interactive AI and eventually physical AI, the trajectory towards AGI becomes clearer. The ability to interact with AI systems and empower them to make decisions in the real world is crucial. AGI represents a single AI system capable of performing any task a human can. This abundant intelligence can accelerate progress in all areas of science and contribute to making the world a better place. The future of AI is dynamic and promising. We have witnessed remarkable advancements in a short period, and the projections for AI technology are even more exciting. The evolution from simple classification to physical AI, the investments in custom AI chips, and the commitment of top AI companies all shape the landscape of AI. It is crucial to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in this rapidly evolving field. So, what do you think about the future of AI and which AI stocks are you invested in?